All right, Truman, let's get it. So for the people at home, we're going over this. For the people here, we are going to go over 6.5, as 6.5 is a very interactive activity. All right, so I always encourage you to read the directions and go over this before I go over it with you. And let's begin. Lesson 6, solutions and point testing. Important stuff. I am point A. My y coordinate satisfies y equals x plus -5. My x coordinate is 4. Where am I? Well, in an ordered pair, we know it's always x, then y. So if my x coordinate is 4, that goes there. So I have to plug in this x value to find out what the y is. So 4 plus a negative is the same as subtracting. So this should be -1. So go ahead and try number 2. Pause me. Let's get it. All right. I am point B. Y equals x plus -5. X equals -3. Well, we know x is always the first one, which is -3. So this is -3 minus 5 is -8. Cool. So all you're doing is substituting in the x value to find the y. So it looks like all the equations are the same. So I am 12. The x always goes first. So this is 12 minus 5, which would be 7. And that's it. That's how you find a solution set. So basically, when you find out what x is, you find out what y is, and that will always work in those equations. So solution set is more than one solution. So each one of these will work in the exact same equation. All right, so on number 4, which of the following points are also solution points for y equals x plus -5? Circle the solution points and cross out the non-solution points. So basically, this number is always 5 more than that. This number, 5 more than that. So 5 apart with x being the larger number. So are those 5 apart? Yes, and x is larger. Are those 5 apart? Yes, and x is larger. Are those 5 apart? Half. Yeah, I think it is. Yep. So, yeah. Are these 5 apart? That's a problem, because -6 is 6 away from 0 and then 1 more. So no, those are not 5 apart. 2 to -3, yep, that's true. 3 to -2, yes. 5 to, yep, yes. 10 to 5. So plug in 10 minus 5, yeah. And then 5 minus 5, yep. I think I made a small mistake somewhere. Oh, tricky. I almost didn't catch it. These are 5 apart, but this isn't larger. Owing somebody $5 is worse than owing somebody 10. This should have been wrong. Did you catch it? Did you catch the mistake? Did you try it before I tried it? These are solution points for the equation y equals x plus -5, because each point gives a pair of numbers, x and y, that when used together in that equation make it true. A solution point for y equals x plus -5 is any point where the y value is 5 less than the x value. Let's go, children.